Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new Sea Ray 21 SPX. It's a 2020 that just came in. It's an IO engine here. Nice big swim platform inside this 21 SPX. Got a lot of storage in this boat. Got storage in here, just kind of hard to see. Propellers in there currently. Nice glove box. You got a nice captain chair. You got storage under this back seat. Through the walkway there's storage. You got a cooler underneath that seat. Under this seat is a fully insulated cooler, which is really nice. Throw all your drinks in there with a drain. In-floor storage. Got a nice big bow. Again, under the two side seats there's storage, and under this seat you can pull this out and you got non-slip texture. Steps down, that way people don't have to step on the upholstery. This has a nice Fusion sound system with a Fusion head. Got all your tacks. This boat's powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury engine. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.